Hello, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc here. Want to share something with you. I had about 10 vintage Leslie idler arm assemblies, 10 of these. And of course, the bearings in them had gone bad and they were noisy. So what I did was I bought 10 of these brand new bearings, just like this right here. And I disassembled the idler arm assembly, removed this part here. Then I had to press out the old bearing that looked like this and press in the new bearing into the larger ring and reassemble it. And so now I have a new idle arm assembly for my Leslie cabinets. Now this is a brand new one here. And these are expensive. And but I had so many of the vintage ones that I had collected over time and was looking for different ways of revitalizing the bearings, and just decided after some consideration and dialogue with other techs that it was just best to just simply replace this bearing. And so I'm glad that I did. And so now I have these bearings, these upper idle arm assemblies available for installation into my Leslie cabinets that I have to assemble into Leslie speaker systems. All right, so that's enough for this video. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, with much to complete today. So until the next video, peace out.